Hi, this is Kribakaran Rajendran, founder of Algo Trading from SquareOff.in. So in this video, we'll be covering about an option buying strategy for Bank Nifty weekly options. It's going to be an intraday option buying strategy, which is derived based out of Bank Nifty short straddle concept. I'll explain the rules of the strategy in the coming slide. So before I explain about the option buying concept, so let me give you a brief intro about short straddle. So the short straddle strategy is nothing but shorting both at the money call option and the put option at specified time. So as per the short straddle intraday strategy, we find what is the bank nifty spot price at 920, and then you round off the spot price to the nearest 100. Say suppose it is trading at 35,020, then we round it off to the 35,000 level. So you short 35,000 call option and 35,000 put option with a 25% stop loss. If the stop loss is hit on any of the leg, we are going to exit only that leg and continue to hold the other one. If stop loss is not hit on any of the legs, we'll continue to hold it till end of the day. So this is the strategy rules behind short strategy. You simply short both call option and put option at 920 with a fixed stop loss and exit by EOD if stop loss is not hit. And this strategy has almost given you a good returns of 80 lakhs profit for all our bot users. So we have implemented this short straddle as a bot with the square of bots, and it has almost made 80 lakhs profit so far in the last 8 or 9 months. We launched it in September. Until now, it has made very good returns of 80 lakhs, which is almost around 70 to 80% of the total capital. So the bank nifty option buying is derived based on the data analysis of the short straddle. So if you look at the short straddle, the basic idea most people think is the short straddle can make money as long as the bank nifty stays in range mode. But the analysis, as per the data analysis, says that only 8.6% of the time the stop loss was not hit on both the sides, which means that as per short straddle strategy, we use 25% stop loss on both call option and put option, but only 8.6% of the time this stop loss was not hit. So most of the time, 74% of the time, the stop loss was hit either on the put side or on the call side, which means that the bank nifty stayed in range bound, very narrow range, because we use only 25% stop loss. So the bank nifty has to stay in very narrow range if the stop loss should not get hit. So big, since bank nifty is a beast which moves violently, definitely we could know that it is going to hit stop loss. So 74% of the time it has hit stop loss on either side. In spite of that, still it has made money, because what would happen is the moment stop loss is hit, the bank nifty has an higher probability to move in the same direction. So the bank nifty, after hitting the stop loss, say suppose you initiate a call option and put option at 100 and 100, call option at 100, put option at 100, with a stop loss at 125 in call and 125 in put. The moment stop loss is hit and bank nifty, consider bank nifty is moving up on a trending move, and the moment we short it by 100, we short the call, and by 125 we would have come out, because bank nifty is trended in up direction and hit the stop loss, and we continue to hold the other position till end of the day, because what would happen is bank nifty, as long as it keeps moving up, this put option we have shorted will continue to decay. So at the end of the day, we cap the risk with the call option, because we are coming out from 100 to 125 itself. And the put option which we shorted at 100 would have decayed further and further. From 100, it would have decayed to 80, and 80 to 70. By the end of the day, it would have been 20 or 30 rupees only. So the decay is much more when the bank nifty moves in one-sided direction. So because of that, only the short straddle bot or the short straddle strategy is able to make higher returns. And only 19% of the time in the last 4 years, the stop loss was hit on both the sides. The call of hitting the stop loss on both call option and put option will happen only when the bank nifty moves in zigzag movement. Like morning it moves up and evening it moves down. Again morning, afternoon it moves up. So when these kind of zigzag movement happens, the stop loss can hit on both the sides, but that has happened only 19% of the time. 74% of the time it has hit the stop loss on only one sided direction, and bank nifty continue to move up in the same direction. So since we figured out that most of the time bank nifty is moving up in one sided direction after stop loss is hit, we created this double top option buying strategy. So the rules of this option double top buying strategy is, you have to wait for the stop loss to get hit in bank nifty short straddle, or else what I could say is, Find out what is the price at 920. Say if the 920, the CE and at the money call option and put option is trading at 100 rupees, then you wait for the level of 25% to reach. So from 100, if it increases to 25%, which is from 100, if it increases to 125, we're going to buy that option. Or what you can say is wait for the stop loss to get in Bank Nifty short straddle, because we use 25% stop loss in short straddle. Check which side the stop loss was hit. If call option stop loss is hit, then we close this call option and then we are going to buy that call option. Similarly, if the put option stop loss is hit as per the short straddle, then we are closing the put option and going long in the put option. So basically, we are converting from shorting strategy to buying strategy after the stop loss is hit on the short side. So here again, stop loss used will be 25% from the entry. If the stop loss is not hit, we simply exit by EOD. So double top strategy is simple. You buy 920, you check what is the call option and put option, and then you are initiating the short trade as per the short straddle. When the stop loss is hit in the short straddle bot, when the 25% stop loss is hit in the short straddle strategy, we are closing that leg and going long in the leg wherever the stop loss is hit. So what would happen is, as long as the Bank Nifty keeps trending in one-sided movement, so since we have closed the short and initiated a long, so one side the call option will continue to gain, and the put option which we holding through the short straddle bot will continue to decay. So both the sides benefit comes. So you make money from short straddle where you hold the put option, and you also make money from double top option buying because you went long after the stop loss is hit on the short straddle side. So when we tested this option buying, the double top option buying strategy, it has almost made 5.6 lakhs of profit in the last 4 years with a maximum drawdown of around 75,000. One thing we have to note down is the winning accuracy is only 35% here, because option buying we are now working against theta decay. So only when there is a big trending move that happens, then the strategy is going to be helpful. And when such big trending move happens, the profits that we are going to make is so high. As you could see here, the average profit when it is winning, it is making 4,200, and the average loss is only 1,400. And even if you could see the maximum profit, it has made around 50,000 profit in one specific trade, and the maximum loss was only 9,000. So the profits that we make through this strategy is always much higher than the loss that comes from this strategy. And when you mix both short straddle as well as this double top option buying, it gives you a very good result. It gives you almost 12 lakhs of profit in the last 4 years with a decent winning accuracy of around 58%. And the maximum drawdown is still under control of only 67,000. So we could combine short straddle as well as this double top option buying strategy, where you initiate a short straddle in the morning, and if the stop loss is hit in the short straddle in any of the leg, you convert that into an option buying mode. And once you convert that into an option buying mode, then it is going to buy that specific leg with a 25% stop loss. So we have created this as a bot and implemented it as a bot to all the users, where all they have to do is just allocate their respective lot size to the bot. It would automatically place the trades for them. It would automatically scan. So if someone is trading short straddle, the bot would automatically scan whether the stop loss is hit on the short straddle. The moment the stop loss is hit on call side or put side, this double top gets initiated, where it would go and buy those respective call option or put option wherever the stop loss is hit with a 25% stop loss for this option buying thing. And people who do not want to trade short straddle, and if they only wanted to trade option buying bot, this double top option buying bot, they can still go for this just by giving the input lot size as an input, where the bot would automatically scan the 920 levels, and then it'll wait for the 25% increase from the 920 levels. So if call option and put option is trading at 100 rupees and 100 rupees, it will wait for 125 rupees to cross. The moment any of these call option or put option crosses 125 rupees, this double top option buying gets initiated, because it is basically working on the concept of 25% increase from the 920 levels, or 25% when out the stop loss is getting it from the short straddle side. Both are same. Basically, the option buying strategy is derived out of this short straddle, where after the short straddle is getting hit with the stop loss, we are going to convert that into an option buying part. Just wherever the stop loss is hit, only that particular leg will be converted into an option buying part. with a 25% stop loss, and we just going to hold it till end of the day. That has given us a very good returns of almost 12 lakhs profit. So combining short straddle plus double top would give you a very good edge over the long term. So this is the concept behind this double top strategy. If you guys have any specific doubts, you can just post it in the comment section. I'll get it addressed. Thank you.